Hello once again, and greetings from a sunny Japan. It's February the 1st, and yeah, it's crisp here, but sunny and dry, which is very typical for Tokyo winters. Quite pleasant. Damn cold in the morning and evenings. Anyway, today we have a 2007 December Alphard, Toyota-Alphard MNH10. So it has a 3-liter engine. It's two-wheel drive. It's an this is an 8-seater with the Black Alcantara interior. It has 43,000 miles on the clock, 69,000 kilometers. Proper grade 4 car. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Okay. And yep, a little bit of a touch up on the corner there. Very typical. On the bottom edge, standard factory 17-inch wheels with winter tires, good winter tires, Pirelli winter tires. Okay. This one has 3 power doors, the slide door and the rear door. And the body is very clean, as are the alloy wheels. You can see it has a standard muffler, and please look at the Dropbox photos for comprehensive images of the underneath. Okay, and we should demonstrate the back door. Okay, say power rear gate with the Black Alcantara interior and a nice clean headlining. You can see it has the flip down monitor, and the carpets are all nice. Okay, it has another switch here for closing the car, and nice clean bumper. No little dings or scratches on the back. Oops. And no fading on top of the door moles. And okay. Clean. Oops. Banging into everything. Okay. 2007 December with 43,000 miles. And has the HID AFS headlights. Nice clean headlights. And chrome grille. And fog lights. Alright, demonstrate the power doors. It comes with a full set of keys, 2 remote keys, 2 fobs, and everything working. Okay, as mentioned, it's got the Black Alcantara. It's a and nice clean carpets. Interior is very nice. Nice clean proper interiors are a must, because there's nothing much you can do about them. A few scratches on the plastic bodywork, are easy to take care of. Interiors, if they haven't been well cared for, are problematic. This one is lovely. Okay, front headlining is all good. Okay, shut the doors. Okay, take a look in the front. Nice clean driver door card and the driver's seat. So this shows up the marks when it's, but the seat is perfect. And the Black Alcantara is probably one of the nicest interiors they did. They only did it on the very last ones on the 10 series. Okay. Alright, let's start it up. As mentioned, 69,000 kilometers. Relates to 43,000 miles. And all the warning lights are off. Okay, so what is this one? This one has the slide door controls here. We've installed an illuminated rear fog switch, but we haven't installed the fog light. You need to do that when it's in the UK. And it has rear camera, nice clear rear camera with guidance. It's positively a non-smoker, which is important if you don't smoke. And a front drink holder, good. Glove boxes with the manuals, and this one also comes with a front drive recorder which mounts on your windscreen, which will be sent with the paperwork so it doesn't get stolen. Okay, and I think that's about it. The steering wheel is nice, black leather and veneer. The dash is nice and clean, as you can see. Yeah, just very nice interior. Let's take a look at the engine. Okay. Okay, this is the VVTi V6. Yeah, this one just a nice example. Lovely mileage, 40,000 miles on a 2007 car, pretty nice. And as you can see, it's an auction grade 4 with a B interior, which is as good as it will ever get for a car this age. Here saying 19 December, so it's 2007, 69,000 kilometers, 43,000 miles in black. And it doesn't mention much studless tires. It says the roof has got a couple of very small soft dents. Called a U3 on the auction sheet, but they're hardly visible. Little touch-ups, as you can see, on the front bumper edges. Otherwise, nothing. The steering slightly worn, which is true, but hardly anything. And just a proper, nice grade 4 car. Nothing untoward about it at all. So, if you're looking for a nice example of this model. This one, you don't need to look much further. It's also an 8-seater, which is nice. A lot of them are 7. People seem to prefer the 8-seater. Yeah. What else to say, except a very pleasant car. If this is of interest to you, please contact Paul at Jap-Auto-Agent, and he can assist you further in the purchase and shipping of this vehicle. Shipping has been problematic. Fortunately, we've been able to ship everything pretty much right away, which we're very thankful for. In fact, we've just been able to ship 40 cars this month, so that is a help. Although it is a bit of a problem worldwide at the moment with shipping. Anyway, if you're interested in this, let me know. Let Paul know, sorry, and he can arrange it. Okay, bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.